Hi guys, today we will be solving the LeetCode daily challenge for August 9th, and for today it is minimize the maximum difference of pairs. And in this question we have been given a like zero indexed array nums and an integer p, and we need to find p pairs of indices of nums such that maximum distance amongst all the pairs is minimized. Also we need to ensure that no index appears more than once amongst p pairs, so like the pairs should be exclusive. And like disjoint pairs will be disjoint, and note that the pair of elements at the indexes I and j, the difference of pair is absolute difference of them. Okay, we need to return the minimum maximum difference among all p pairs. We need to define maximum of anything. Okay, so what I can think of is, let's say we can form p pairs with, like, it is possible, say it is possible to form p number of pairs with some x as maximum difference among them, max diff among them. Okay, now we can also show that, like, it is also possible that to make at least p many pairs with absolute difference of x plus 1, we can comfortably say that, because like at least these many will contribute in this answer, and maybe some other can also like contribute. So how to find the elements with minimum adjacent, like minimum difference? Like when we sort the array, for example, we have, okay, let's take from example only 10 1 2 7 1 3. So we have 10 1 2 7 1 3. Okay, 1 2 7 1 3. Now this we have, if we sort them in the increasing order, 1 2, okay, 1 1 2 3 7 and 10, you can say that difference between the adjacent element is minimized. Like we don't need to find what is the like for this element which other element has the minimum difference with this. So we can like comfortably sort the array, and we can check with any particular x, like we can form p pairs for such that the maximum difference is x only. Okay, for example, and then after that we will binary search over this x, and if it is possible to form p pairs, we will check for all the values in the range 0 to 1 to x minus 1, and if it is not possible, then we will check in the range of x plus 1 to let's say some maximum value. For now let it be positive infinity, and this will be replaced by let's say the last element minus the first element. So here 9, because like the maximum difference is this much only, because if you subtract the last element from the first element, that will be the maximum difference. Or otherwise we can also keep the max to be the maximum difference of adjacent elements, like that will be a more tighter bound. So let's code it down. Let's change it to a, and first of all sorting it, 3 hours sort a. Okay, now let's say we can have a 0, like the lowest answer can be 0 and the highest answer can be like a of n minus 1 or a 0, and what is n is nothing but array length. Okay, we will update this like after submitting one solution, and if it is found to be correct. Okay, it is given that the array size, okay, first of all we will check just if the size is less than 2, we can simply return 0, because if only one element is present there, then we can say that like the 0 is the answer. Okay, and now we will check. Okay, if for this mid, okay, if checking for this mid p many pairs can be formed, then we will check for all the answers lower than this thing, mid minus 1. Otherwise we will check for all the answers greater than this thing, and at last we will be returning low. And now implement the checking function, and p and mid. Okay, some spelling issues. Now how to check for the pairs? Let's say we have a counter, counter, like this will maintain the number of pairs have been formed till now, and the index say in 0, and while n is less than, let's say, n minus 1, if a of n plus 1 is less than equal to mid, we can say that a pair can be formed, so we will increase our counter, and also our index will be incremented by 2, so that we don't count the next element into any other pairs. Otherwise we will increment our index by 1, and we will simply return if the count is greater than or equal to p. I think this should work. Okay, it is giving wrong answers. It is giving me 5, and okay, it is giving me 5, and the expected answer is 1. Okay, yes, that's so. Okay, let's try to print out something, kind of debugging it. P plus min, p plus mid plus and count. Okay, so on 4, like when the mid is 4, we are giving the answer as 1. Why so? Because 1 will already contribute, and 2 if okay, not a sum, the difference need to be counted. Okay, so we know that the later element will be kind of bigger. We need not to implement the absolute thing, because this will always be a greater value. And yeah, now you can see it is accepted. Let's try to submit it. Okay, it is taking how much time limit exceeded. Okay, because of this thing only, let's say we will define our high to be 0. Okay, and then for all the elements, high will be the maximum difference, max, and high and a of I minus 1. Okay, this will go up to n, and this will start from 0. Oh, sorry, 1. I think now it should work. Okay, somewhere I missed a semicolon. That even though it should not have been a TLE, like it was not justified according to me, because the time complexity was n log n only, so it should not have been a TLE. Okay, again the time limit exceeded. It should not happen. Why it is happening? Plus 1 minus a of n is less than equal to n, that we are incrementing the count, and index is incremented by 2, and everything is fine. Yes. I think I got the issue here. Like the I think the LeetCode is using Java 8 as in the backend, and erased the sort sometime, which is n square time complexity. It was a bug in Java 8, which was corrected in Java 14, I guess. So I think I have to do something else. Okay. What I will do is I will maintain a list and use the list to sort the elements, because it's n log n time complexity only. Okay, list dot add a, and let's sort in the list and feeding the elements of the list into the array. Now it should work. Because you don't know it. Okay, again a compilation error will be there. Okay, again, what's the issue? I'm thinking, okay, let me get some time. We are sorting it, no issues, and we are making it high. Okay, how big is the test case? Not so big. I can't see it, so many elements there. if okay oh, oh my bad, it should be divided by 2. No, it should definitely work, yeah. And we are beating only 5% of the submissions. Let's see why. Now what we will do is arrays dot sort and a, and we will remove this. See, we will feed a equal to a dot length. Okay. Now let's try to submit it. Yeah, now we have been beating like 100% of the Java submissions, and so the answer is correct. Okay, thanks. There was some issues in the recording. Okay, let's take as the bug resolving process only.